How's it going, everybody? It's Drew and Trade here, and today's video looking at the top 3 stocks for July 2020. The first one up is AYTU, currently priced at $1.69, but has room up to $3, and if we break that, way more. Hit a low of 34 cents before pushing up to $3 in one day. Now, that is a huge move. On the news was coronavirus, and since then, you did have a couple dips, but for the most part, it really never fell below $1.25, and then recently, it hasn't fallen below $1.40, which is great news for the future. Now, you do have lots of resistances coming up, but like I said, when you have support, the only way is up when you have enough volume power. Now, for $1.70 to $3, that's $1.30. So if you had 1,000 shares, that's $1,300. But now, look, when the news broke, it was at 34 cents and went all up to $3. Now we're already halfway between $3. Imagine what the price can do if we get a great PR like we did back then. If you watch this, guys, in the future, this was recorded on June 28th. So these are Friday's prices right there. That's right now. Now we do have 3 more days of June, and then moving on to July. But I want to get these out because of the supposedly second wave that's coming. And now we're going to take a look at the news right here. So the 6X9 offering $100 million. So there's have been news. 6-8 it joined the Russell 3000 index. More news just keeps on coming throughout the month of June, and even if we go farther back in the month of May. Right here, AYTU IBIO issued emergency use authors a coronavirus rapid test. Now, guys, like I said, coronavirus, if we do get the second wave, a major push up, you guys saw NVAX, CODX, Moderna, all those stocks tripled, quadrupled even. So when these stocks get coronavirus news, everybody goes in and the FOMO is real. And if you're on the other side, it's great for you and it's great for your checkbook. This is old news. Back in May 29th, they were the price target was $3. So guys, like I said, you can almost guarantee, well, obviously everything in stocks is guaranteed, but you can look for a $3 price target at minimum. So you're really good with going with this stock, in my opinion, as well. But guys, that was AYTU. That was the first of our 3. Moving on to the next one right here. IBIO is our second one. Now, remember, the Fridays, guys, right here, the news came out that it's joining the Russell 2000 and 3000. Tomorrow, June 29th, is joining it. So, Monday. So, you expect this one to go up throughout the week here, heading into the first week of July. But, guys, look at this pump right here. 5 cents right there, but also 30 cents. So 30 cents was good pickup before the news, and all the way up to $4 a share. Power move, and it came back down to a low of 76 cents. And once it happened, it never saw a low like that. Now, for the most part, guys, you have to look at it pretty good, but higher lows and higher highs. Now, you did have a bit of a downtrend, but with the news that broke, you can see a surge up. And like I said, with AYTU, with the second wave of coronavirus that everybody's talking about, everybody's speculating, you really can see a pump back up. Now, I'll show you the news in a second, but IBIO did have a 500 million dose capacity. Now, that was old news, so imagine when new news could happen. Now, from $2.35 to $4, that's $1.65. Again, 1,000 shares, $1,600 from a simple swing trade. Now, guys, you can look at this anyway. You can look at it as a day trader, or you can look at a long-time trader, or a swing trader. So, many opportunities to make money here on IBIO. In my opinion, guys, remember, trade your own plan, try your own trade. Taking a look at the news. So, like I said, we're joining the Russell 2000 and 3000 indices on June 29th. Taking a look back now, old news from the first very pump up. IBIO expands COVID-19 vaccine collaboration. Again, COVID vaccination. So you guys can pause the video and see. And IBIO announced the second COVID vaccine program. You guys can pause the video and read any of these articles. This is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform. If you guys were wondering, a lot of comments about that. IBIO clinical development, no cost to support COVID-19 vaccine, so no cost to them. So, guys, when a stock has great PR back to back, it's a great sign of power. And they also have a price target of $2.75, so that's another 40 cents. Again, not guaranteed, but a good sign moving into the future when you have a price target that's higher than the price. So with this joining the Russells 2000, 3000 to 29th, I definitely give it a buy rating for myself right there at 236. That was IBIO, the second one. Moving on to the third one now, it is GNUS, currently priced at 242. Now this one has a boatload of news, a lot of history, and it's a mover. Everybody knows this one. So it fell down to a low of 211. And okay, I'm just gonna say this. In my opinion, this stock is the most undervalued stock that I have seen for months. Okay, it has a streaming service that right now their main thing is a Stanley's Superhero Kindergarten, and one of the producers is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Great news. It had a pump up to $11.73 from a low of under $1. Power move. And right now, why is it sitting at $2.42? This is undervalued, definitely in my opinion, though. GNUS is the most risky out of the three. Now, again, if it breaks below $2, it doesn't look that great for a chart for a little short-term trade, unless you want to hold on for a couple years, I guess. But right now, the streaming service is going strong. Has no issues overall. Taking a look at the news now. Andy Hayward is also the CEO. Great. He just purchased 11.4 million shares. So that's great. John Landis joins Arnold Schwarzenegger on the new TV series, News After News, featured in a whole bunch of articles. So right there, Schwarzenegger could have the Oprah effect on the Genius brands. Moving on to more. Again, guys, pause the video and read any of these. Arnold Schwarzenegger is a big name, obviously, in the movie industry. And he has, right there, Stan Lee Superhero Kindergarten to star as co-produced by Schwarzenegger. They're really pushing Schwarzenegger here, guys. Now, they did have offerings already, so you don't have to worry about that. And I don't think there's a price target, but I'll try to find it I'll put it in the comment section. But if you guys find it, definitely leave one down below. But right now, 242, it's very undervalued in my opinion. I forgot to mention that Genius Brands article came out saying that they most likely aren't going to be infected by COVID-19. So it's either two ways. So it kind of goes along with the whole COVID-19 narrative that AYTU, IBIO, and then you have GNUS as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So the less risky is AYTU, then IBIO, and the most risky is GNUS with just everything going on. So that was the video. It was a longer video. Thank you for sticking around if you watched it all the way to here. Check out, so there's going to be a live trades on Tuesday and Thursday this week, and then every day this week will be a chart review and chart prediction of other stocks that are moving in the market. Alright guys, see you guys then. Thanks for watching. And make sure you guys subscribe. Almost at 1,200 subscribers. Give the video a big like or dislike. Depends. Put your feedback in. Definitely comment your questions, opinions. Leave them down below. And I'll answer them all. Alright guys. See you in the next one.